What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on XLM. It has gone over 38, well, it did hit about 42 cents earlier this morning, currently trading around just below 39 cents. So constantly hitting green candles. The crypto market is slowly starting to stabilize, with Bitcoin currently trading $117,000, so it hasn't pumped any higher. So the crypto market in general is stabilizing, including XLM, as you guys can see here. So what is next for the crypto market in general for the rest of July and for the rest of the year? That's what we'll be focusing on, especially focusing on XLM. So before I go any further, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button. So looking at the RSI, it is currently at 84.62, which is way above the overvalued mark at 70, meaning at the moment there is potentially a dip coming soon for XLM. However, nothing major. A minimal price correction is what my predictions are for this crypto. I did mention in yesterday's video, it is likely to go slightly higher than where it is at the moment over the weekend, which is essentially today and tomorrow. However, it has pumped up quite a bit, so it is time for it to take a little bit of a step back, dropping down to around 35 to 36 cents in value is where I'm predicting it to drop down to towards, well, today and tomorrow. So taking a slight correction. If we bring out the Bollinger Band as well, we can see it is way above the upper band, which is the red line here. It is trading way above that. The red line is at 34 cents and the crypto is trading at 38 cents, which is again a huge difference. This is another indicator telling us the crypto is slightly overvalued, and it is predicted to take a little bit of a dip over the next couple of hours and days, dropping down to around 34-35 cents in value. So let's zoom in into the hourly chart and bring on the MACD indicator here, so we can see the baseline and the signal line are both looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. We can see over the last few hours it has been quite volatile with red and green candles, but overall it has been moving towards a positive direction. However, right now I am predicting it to slowly start dropping down to about 34-35 cents before increasing in value going into next week. Mid to end of next week we should see a head over 40 cents guys. And in yesterday's video I did say it is likely to hit 40-45 cents by the end of next week, so towards the second half of July. And yes, it's already hit 40-42 cents. However, that is the reason it's overvalued. It's done it too quick, so it needs to drop back down before it heads back up in value over the coming weeks and over the coming months as well. Zooming into the 4-hour chart here, we got the MACD line and the signal line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, which is good to see, indicating an overall increase in value from XLM over the next few weeks going into late July, early August. I am predicting XLM to head over 45 to 50 cents in value. Nothing too crazy, slow and steady increases in value is what my predictions are, because I'm also expecting Bitcoin to head over $125,000 by the end of July, early August. So a mini bull run there, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. Zooming out to the daily chart, we are looking a little bit too steep here. As you guys can see, the reason for that is the major pump that's taken place over the last few days. Let's indeed have a look at how much value has gained in the last couple of days. A 71% increase literally from the 8th of July until today, which is 4 days. It has gained 70%, and prior to that, yeah, it was fluctuating and mainly dropping down. So that is why it's looking so steep guys, meaning it's not as realistic as it seems. I'm not expecting a major outbreak or a major breakout, so shall I say, from XLM at the moment. But over the next few months going into August and September, I am predicting XLM to head over around 65 to 70 cents in value, much higher value than where it is at the moment, but it has to be a slow and steady increase in value. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, XLM is the top gainer here, and we can see the trading volume has gone up again 70% in the last 24 hours, currently at $2.3 billion. And over the last week itself, it has done a 63% increase. Over the month, as you guys can see, prior to the pump that's taken place, it has overall been fluctuating around the 25 cents value. But yeah, that is my take on XLM guys. And a lot of you guys have been saying XLM is likely to hit $3 to $4 by the end of the year, which at the moment I'm going to have to disagree with. I'm predicting it to head just over the dollar mark by the end of the year. As I keep saying in all my videos, slow and steady is what wins the race. We don't want to see a major breakout and then for it to drop back down in value. That's not really, that is majority of the time, sorry, that majority of the time makes the crypto literally just drop back down in value, and it does not make it sustainable. We want XLM to be a much more sustainable crypto. So again, slow and steady. But yeah, that is my take on XLM. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys predicting this crypto to go in 2025? And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.